Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you're all doing great. My name is So by me Juliana. So today we'll be making a quick video how you can use this beautiful cordless fabric. It's called cordless. You see how the flowers are patterned. You see the pattern. We'll be using it to make a beautiful earring and the flowered earring and the necklace. So as you can see here, I've already cut out my flower pieces. You see, I've cut out my flower pieces. See the pattern? Just trim off your the flower shapes. Trim it up and cut as much as you need for the video. So here I've already cut out all my flowers. You see, I have so many of them. So we'll go straight to the earring. We'll start making the earring now. See here, I have my clip, my earring already. Sorry, my earring piece. And all we need here is also, you need your glue and your scissors. So now all we have to do is to start assembling the flower. Think about the shape, what you want to make with the flower. So what you do now is to, you see, this is the earring. You see I'll use it because it's the cordless fabric has a hole. I'll use it to punch a hole. You see, I already punched a hole, and I'll go ahead and put some glue. I'll add a little glue here just to help to stick the earring firmly on the fabric. And again, I'll add little glue here again to put the next flower. You see how I'm doing it with the hole, the pin. You see the pin? I don't know if you can see. Yes. Now I'll use it to punch another hole here, right at the center of the flower, and push hard. So that the essence of putting the glue, so that when I punch the hole, both fabric will stick to each other. You see now? Make sure you press down very well. And I'll also use the glue to hold the earring clip here. You see? Do you see that? And you put the clipper, you cover the earring, you seal it up and allow it to dry. See, now we have a beautiful earring. Can you see that? As easy as. Just check any pattern of any lace you have at home, anywhere. Just or when you go to fabric store, check any lace that has a beautiful pattern. Whatever you want, you can go with it. And we do the same with the second one. Here I have my both flowers. This is another pattern. You can choose to go with this. You see how I cut down this? So now all we have to do again is to, the same way, stick this on top of this so that it will have this nice beautiful drop, like a water drop. You use your glue first of all to glue around here, to glue the both fabric, both cordlesses. Glue them together and punch your hole. Use the earring clip to punch the hole in the middle of the both fabric. Let's go like this. First punch the first hole. We punch the second one, and both fabric will stick glued together. We've already applied the glue. You can put the pattern uneven, just make it nice, just like a flowers, like you are placing flower. Now use the glue again to stick at the back of the earring clip, and use your, you see, lock it up. You see, this is a beautiful pattern. This is the first one and this is the second one. You see, you have yourself beautiful earring. As easy as. Now I will go ahead and this is my, I already cut out my paper for it's interfacing, and yeah, my interfacing. That's what I will use to work on the necklace, the flowered necklace, so that it will go with this. So what I already cut it out and everything is ready to go. All I need now is to start placing the flower. Start placing the flower like so. Add the glue and place the flower. I will do one and show you guys. Yes, just use your glue. This is a glue for it's adhesive glue, bonds fabric, leather, and the embellishment. Anything you want to put, either earring is purpose for earring and fabrics. So now I'll place my lace fabric here. Bring it down a little bit to give. I'll bring it down a little bit to give space for the end. Yeah, part of it. You see, I placed down my flower. So like so. I'll continue to place down till the end. I'll come back and show you guys the next step. Yes, I'll finish assembling the flower. You can see. You see what we are working on. Yeah, it's coming together gradually. So now I'll go ahead and put my rope. Like I have a extra rope just to tie it on my neck. The extender, like kind of extender to tie it on my neck. So after putting it, I will show you guys the final look. It's as easy as ABCD. It doesn't take time. Just once you have cut out your lace fabric, and you're good to go. Once you finish assembling it, the necklace is almost ready. So let me go ahead. I'll go ahead and place this extender, like the like the extender I'm going to strap to tie it at the back of my neck. I will come back and show you guys the final look. Yes, I'll finish putting the straps. You can see it now. This is the final look of the necklace. I will go right now and try it on, so that you guys can see. You see? This is my beautiful necklace and the earring. I'll try on the earring as well. Yes, remember the earring we first made? Yes, this is the earring and the yes, let me come closer so that you can see what I'm talking about. See, this is the necklace and this is the earring. Can you see that? Oh my, so pretty with the earring matching each other. You see that? You see? So pretty, so beautiful. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is the end of our video. You can make yourself one. Just look for something beautiful and make yourself one. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Please do not forget to click the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.